Okay, here's how we fix it. I was lucky enough to get a screen grab of the whole canvas with just the shading layer visible on a neutral color. This fix won't be perfect, but neither is Photoshop. I spot heal out the visible cursor and selection line on Edda's body and convert the image to black and white. I crop out the unessential part and set up a levels adjustment. I'm trying to recreate the mask that I was using with full shadows in pure black and full light in pure white. Next, I use Endling's fantastic free line art Photoshop action to turn the black and white image into a single layer where the whites are transparent and the blacks are fully opaque. I put that layer into the full-size file and set up the shading layer again. I create a linear burn shading layer out of this sort of dusty blush color, control-click the flat black and transparent layer to select the transparency, turn it into a mask, unlink the mask from the layer, and resize the mask until the shading just fits. Some areas are a little rough, but this is just the underpainting after all. Okay, back to work.